Today's featured car of the day is a 1959 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated, 1959 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible. Car was built at LA plant. I am a third Southern California owner. I've owned it for 40 plus years. Car is an AACA Grand National First Prize winner. Also won the AACA Judges Award for Best Post-War. Many Best of Show wins. Rotisserie frame-off restoration. All numbers match. Correct 348 horsepower tri-power engine. Leather bucket seat interior, tritone. Correct steel back buckets. Only 53,000 total miles. Correct Mandalay red. Correct tricolor interior. Carpets with correct silver thread. Correct BF Goodrich Silvertown 8.50 tires. We were able to restore all inspection marks and stamps during restoration. Only 3,096 of these cars made in 1959. And it's sold for $57,250 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And as you can tell by the pictures and by the description, this was a nice one. They don't give Grand National First Prize winners just to anybody. Those are the best of the best usually. And this one definitely qualifies for that. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.